What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Royal GT Auto, where we work on some of the exclusive cars right here in the best cars in the city. This right here, we have a Range Rover Sport SVR Carbon Edition, but just not any SVRs. It's very limited, 128. Only 8 of these ever been built. It's got the Carbon Edition. As you see inside, it's fully custom, fully carbon, all from factory OEM, and as well as it's got the badge, which it's got the 1 out of 8 built. Very exclusive, very rare. And check out the front. It's got all full carbon interior, the panels, the dash. Sick interior color as well, and the combination of this emerald green color, it's amazing. This one here, we had some mechanical work that we did, as well as did the safety on it. We got brand new brakes on it, on the front, on the rear. It had a little bit of suspension. Issues with the bushings, so we replaced the bushings as well. Had the full suspension completed, did the alignment, and it's all ready to hit the road. One of the things I want to go over with this is something like this, something exclusive. You want to protect it, you want to get that PPF on it and the ceramic as well. Prime example, this client of ours didn't get the PPF or the ceramic on time, and then over time what happens is the clear coat on the surface starts fading out as just normal due to heat being parked outside. It causes the tear on the clear coat. It just wears out. So it's very important to get your vehicle ceramic coated or put the PPF on it. Then you got nothing to worry about. This SVR, it's built the luxury and the performance. Check out the carbon here. It's got the built-in waves with the hood pattern that goes all the way down, factory, and a very powerful engine. It's got the V8 supercharger, 575 SVR. It's got the speed, the performance, it's got the luxury, and most importantly, it's the rarity. It's the 1 of 8. One of these important facts on this SVR is the massive calipers. Check them out. As fast as you really want to go on these things, you need these massive calipers to really safely stop the vehicle. And I really want to see how this thing really sounds. Let's check it out. Let's see how this thing sounds. Come on in. Wow, this thing is a beast. Now that's performance, luxury, and rarity all in one. This is what happens when Range Rover goes all out. If you got a rare luxury car like this and you want to get it protected, you know where to come. At Royal GT Auto, where we treat every car as like 101. Come check us out.